In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. Slack is an incredible tool for team communication, but with the endless flow of messages and files, it can sometimes feel overwhelming. Fortunately, the search function is designed to help you cut through the noise and find exactly what you're looking for. So, let's go over a few effective strategies to make your search experience in Slack as efficient as possible. First, let's talk about narrowing down your search terms. One of the best ways to start is by using exact keywords. If you know the specific term you're looking for, you can enclose that term in quotation marks. For example, if you're looking for all mentions of the word creative, just type creative in the search bar. This tells Slack to look for that exact match rather than variations of the word, making it much easier to find relevant messages. Next, you can further refine your search by filtering based on location and sender. Let's say you're searching for a conversation that took place in a specific channel, or maybe you want to see messages sent by a particular person. You can use the filter options provided on the search results page. It's quite handy, especially when you remember discussing something last week but can't remember who said it. This can save you a ton of time. And if you want to take your search refinement even further, Slack allows you to apply advanced filters. Need results from a specific time period? Perhaps you want files of a certain type or messages that reacted to with specific emoji? Slack has got you covered. You can filter based on the date range, document types, and select reactions. These features will really help you narrow your search and find exactly what you need in a flash. Now, once you've gotten the hang of searching, you may find yourself needing to check multiple discussions or threads simultaneously. This brings us to another handy tip: opening multiple windows. Instead of constantly clicking back and forth, you can view several channels at once. To do this, simply hold down the Command key if you're on a Mac or the Control key if you're using Windows or Linux, and then click on the name of the conversation or channel you want to access. This nifty trick allows you to launch that conversation in a new window, keeping all your crucial threads open side by side on your screen. It's a great way to enhance your productivity and ensure you don't miss any important details. So there you have it. With these simple yet powerful search tips and the ability to open multiple windows, you can navigate through Slack like a pro. Whether you're looking for old messages or coordinating with your teammates, knowing how to effectively search can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you utilize Slack to its fullest potential. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and like it for more helpful tips and tricks.